Hey friends, welcome to the channel. Today we're about to wash some hair. As you can see by the title. Yeah. So my hair is right now is just, I had it in braids with my wigs or whatever. I mean my wig, I only have one wig. I had it in braids. So I'm about to wash my hair with some really cool products. I cut it so it's like right here now. But I haven't washed it in like a few weeks. So let's get into it. I'm really dreading it, but whatever.
These are the products that I'll be using to wash my hair. The hair mask, the deep conditioning cream, and then this Pantene shampoo.
These are my curls with nothing in it. My hair with nothing in it. I just put some water in it. And that's probably some leave-in. I'm talking about nothing in it. I'm talking about that's probably some leave-in. I had leave-in it before, but I'll rinse it out or whatever. And this is how short I cut my hair like a month ago. And it's already going back so fast. I'm gonna put in this hair mask first. It's Creme of Nature, Açaí berry and Keratin strengthening hair mask. I'm gonna use this first before my deep conditioner because it's a hair mask. Duh, and I want to get out the way. This smells amazing. So I never used this hair mask before. So this will be my first time using it. A bit of hair time. So since I gotta hurry up because my phone's about to die. So since this is like my first time using this, I'm going to be trying it out with you guys too. It smells amazing. Sorry, I just put it on my hands any kind of way. It smells and looks amazing. I love the texture. And it was only one something. That's the sample thing. So I can see how it does with my hair. Oh, it smells so good. Creme of Nature products always smell so amazing. Like it smells like the actual fruit. Like how Cantu be smelling like coconuts and shea butter. This really smells like Açaí. I think that's how you say it, Açaí. Açaí berry. It smells so good. I want to buy this. Like, I want to buy the full thing. And so much comes into this little packet. Like, a lot comes into the packet, even though I use a lot on each section. Enough comes into the packet. So that's good too. It's defining my curls. Curls, where have you been? I've been hiding you from the world. I wasn't hiding my curls from the world. I was hiding the world from my curls.
I wasn't hiding my kid from the world. I was hiding the world from my kid.
Hey guys, so this is the results from leaving it in for like an hour or two. So I'm going to wash this out and I'm about to use the deep conditioner by Aunt Jackie. I'll be back when I'm ready to put. So these are our curls after the product is out. Look at that deliciousness. Look at it. So now that we have this out of our hair, literally out of our hair, cells out of our hair. We're about to use our coconut cream deep conditioner. We're going to deep condition for 20 minutes with Coco Repair from Aunt Jackie. You guys know I live for her products. It smells just like coconut oil. And I put some of that on my hair earlier when I I put some earlier because when I was getting ready for class, I put some of the some coconut oil and leave-in conditioner in my hair earlier just to wet it and style it before class because I know I was gonna wash it today. But yeah, we love Aunt Jackie's. This smells amazing. This is my second time using this product. I love all of her hair stuff, to be honest. Kind of a fan, so like if you want to sponsor me, Auntie, you can go ahead and do it. You know, I even buy the well, I mean, it's a sponsorship, so. Let me tell y'all, I have not did a natural hairstyle or like a wash and go in so long, and I cut my hair off. I cut my hair, so like now my hair is really growing out and curling up the way I like it to. So probably my wash days will probably be fire now since it's shorter, curlier. Do y'all see that? We live for definition. There will be no lack of definition in this household. I'm sitting really low because I'm on the floor. And like, I just moved into my new home. So I don't really have all of my hair stuff with me here. I mean, I don't have all my filming stuff with me here. So like, that's why I seem a bit, you know, everywhere. But I'm going to leave this in for 20 minutes and then I'm going to get right back with y'all once I wash this out so you guys can see what we have going on. So, this has been sitting in my head for like maybe a little over 20 minutes. I'm about to go wash it out, then I'm going to be back and then we're going to style. But my curls, my hair is so soft right now. My curls are literally so defined. Like, do y'all see this? Oh my gosh. This is what we live for. Okay guys, so my hair is freshly washed. I'm about to do a wash and go for like the first time. The new Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oil Twist Me Curling Styling. I may use this Eco Styler gel. I never use this kind. The Argan Oil kind, but I may just use it. And the Curl Defining Mousse too by Lotta Body. I never used these products before as a wash and go. This is actually the first time I'm using these products at all. I'm just gonna tell you right now that this hairstyle is not a bop. It was a flop. I went ahead and proceeded to record this little thingy, but I did not wear this hairstyle. I ended up doing something else. I guess I'll insert pictures of what I ended up doing because I didn't like film it. But yeah, this hairstyle was no, because it flaked up and it just was not what I thought it would be. So I won't be using these products together again, but individually they're amazing. Wow, it smells really good. This is new, so I guess I'm the first person to try it out. We have our part. We're just gonna comb it out a little bit. Our pudding by Lotta Body. We put it on there. So curious to see what this looks like. Then we're gonna take our Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse. We're gonna put it on our hair. And then we're going to shingle it. I went ahead and did the back. I have the hiccups. I went ahead and did the back. So I'm about to show y'all how I did it. Make sure your hair is basically drenched in water. Like, take some of the curling cream, put it on your hair, put that on to secure my curls. Just gonna take it and shingle it. Find the curl a little bit more tighter.
So I actually don't have any pictures of how my hair looked after this. I literally just put it up in a puff. Or no, in a ponytail. It was a curly ponytail, whatever. So sorry if I wasted your time. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Stay notified every single time I post another amazing video. Don't forget to watch my previous videos with your friends, family, catch a day, and share those videos with everybody love. So your girl, DVEJU VU, can be popping. This was really just like a wash day video. And an attempted hairstyle video. But I didn't do no hairstyle, so really, it's another video for another day. Yeah. I love y'all so much. I'll see y'all in the next one. Be dope, be fire. Back to back all 2020. Period.